Hello, welcome to my quick review of Rytr, the AI writing tool. I'm going to try and do this review in 5 minutes or less. This is a tool that I've been using for quite a while now, so I think I'm well qualified to review this tool. So what do I like about Rytr? I really like the user interface. You can see here it's really sleek and really clean and really easy to use, which is great. It's the same for the editor. You see here on the right side, the editor is really easy to use. You can start to type, highlight the text, you have all these commands. I just find it works really well. What else? Well, of course, I really like the output, the quality of the outputs that you get for the price that you pay. So I'm going to show you here the question and answer output. I think this is a really good way for us to highlight the quality of the outputs. I've asked a question, or I've asked for question and answers about can hedgehogs be good pets, and I've asked for 3 variants. I've asked for optimal creativity. The less creative you ask it to be, the more factual that it will be, and vice versa. You can also choose a tone here. There's loads of them. Look, I'm going to go for enthusiastic. Then we go to write for me, and you can see that it will start to generate the questions really quickly. And then if you want an answer for any of these, all you have to do is highlight the question, and on here you go to paragraph and it will generate an answer. So you see here it says the average lifespan of a hedgehog is between 2 and 4 years. What are the benefits of owning a hedgehog? Let me show you this one. So again, it will show you the quality of the outputs that you get from this. Here we go. Hedgehogs are cute and can make a great pet for people who have a lot of time to spend with them. Yeah, so you can see that's a really good output. If you want to read it more, you can obviously pause the video. So how much do you have to pay for this quality of AI output? Well, this is another thing I really like about this tool. You can see here that the unlimited plan is only $29 a month, or $290 a year. Or if you don't need that much, you can have 100,000 characters a month for $9 a month, or $90 a year. So if you were to compare this with a lot of the other AI writers out there, you'll find this is a lot cheaper. But as you can see, you can still get really good content output for the price. So what are some of the features? Well, what I kind of like that they don't have loads of features. One of the issues I have with some other AI writers is they try to add way too many things and it gets really unfocused. I really like the focused style here for Rytr. They do have the ability of integrating with SEMrush, and you can integrate SERP analysis as well. They have an API, but you have to pay extra for that. You can also make your own custom use cases as well. If you work with a team, you can actually create a team within their platform. So let's wrap up quickly. What do I like about Rytr? I like the price, I like the UI, I like that it's a focused utility. What don't I like? Well, it doesn't have quite as many templates as some of the competition. So if you want the ultimate amount of templates, you can see here there are quite a lot, but some of the competition will have more than that. So that's my review. You can work out hopefully from this whether you are interested in Rytr or not. If you are interested in Rytr, I would really appreciate it if you use my affiliate link in the description. Thank you for watching.